Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have admin access. This is required to change another account's password. Once signed in, back up any unsaved work so nothing is lost during restarts. Now open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign-in Options. This is where Windows centralizes password controls. You're starting the process immediately. These steps prevent roadblocks and protect data. Make sure your device is plugged in and connected to the internet if you need to verify identity. You'll now perform the actual password change. First, select Password under Sign-in Options and click Change. Windows will ask to verify who you are. Use your current password, PIN, or a verification code sent to your linked email or phone to prove identity. Once verified, type a new strong password, mix upper and lowercase, numbers and symbols, and confirm it. After submitting, Windows updates credentials immediately. Remember to update saved passwords in browsers and apps so automated logins keep working. Once done, sign out and sign in with your new password to confirm everything works. This verifies you didn't mistype. Make sure to update Credential Manager, email clients, and any synced devices so services don't fail. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use another administrator account or boot to Windows Recovery to restore system access. As a key troubleshooting tip, if recovery options fail, create a password reset USB from another PC before proceeding further to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.